Hey everybody, I got another video for you guys, showing you guys how to remove the passenger side seat of an Acura TL. But this same process works for the driver's side and the passenger side. So I'm gonna show you guys how to start off. So there's gonna be two covers here in the rear, one on the left, one on the right. What I did was that worked is that I kind of pulled on the plastic here from the side. I pulled on it from the side here and then just pulled it off, and it came off. It kind of detached from the side here and came out. That's the same thing you'll be doing over here. On this seat, you just pull this piece out more and it should slide right out. That's the tab that sits inside and that locks in. You can kind of pop that out with your hand and then just slide it off. Okay, then you'll see that there's one bolt here and one bolt here. It's one bolt here, one bolt here. Okay, so these are 14s. What I use is a 9/16 because I can't find my 14 because I'm always losing my 14. It's like losing my 10. Okay, so you just remove this bolt, which I already loosened. Lift that out. You can actually see through the car, through the bottom of the car from here, through that bolt. Then you just loosen this one. Okay, that's two bolts out. Okay, now we're gonna go to head to the front. So now there's another bolt right here. And then there's another bolt right there. You can see it right there. Okay, so I already loosened this one. Ready? I'm just gonna unscrew that one for you guys real quick. And unscrew the next one here in the corner. There you go. Came out. What I did was use a 9/16 with a 6-inch extension to reach these bolts from here. And that's how I was able to reach it, to unscrew it. So once they're unscrewed, okay, you can now grab the seat and push it backwards, like so. Okay, once I push the seat backwards, you'll see all the connectors that are connected to the bottom of the seat. So what I'm going to do now is disconnect the connectors. Okay, this is one of the connectors here. You push down on this tab here. Push down on this tab. And then slide it off the connector right here. Okay, then this one has a tab right here. You just press on the tab and pull it out. Okay, then there's another connector here. You just press on the tab and pull it out. Then there's gonna be another connector here. That's connected to the module. Okay, you just press on that little tab right here. You can see it, it's right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna press on that tab and it releases the connector, like so. Just comes right out. Okay, and that's it. The seat is disconnected. And now you can just take the seat out. Okay. I'm gonna pull the seat out and catch back the video for you guys. Everything disconnected, so now the seat can just come right out. Okay, the passenger side seat is outside now. Just lifted it out, super easy. Now you guys can see this is what it looks like under the seat. It's dirty, but this is a car that I bought from a customer. It looked like somebody broke the glass to get into it. This is a junk car that I bought just to make tutorials off of. If you guys have any videos or tutorials that you guys are looking for, let me know. This is a customer that asked me to make this video showing how to remove the seats so he could like clean out the inside and clean the carpet and everything and stuff like that. So that's why I made this video. If you guys are interested in any other videos, just let me know. Just hit down in the comments. Just let me know what you guys are looking for. I'm gonna make a video taking out the ECUM, the car's computer, everything. Take all this stuff out and a couple of these other connectors and stuff too. All right, if you guys are looking for any videos, this is how super simple it is. The same process that we did with the passenger side, which is this seat, is the same thing that we can do also with the driver's side seat. Is the same thing. Same two bolts in the rear, and then the same two bolts in the front. And then disconnect the connectors at the bottom, and that's it. It comes right out. Then you can clean out the car and clean out the carpets or exchange your seats if you're looking to exchange your seats for newer ones, which a lot of people are probably doing because their seats are ripped, like this one. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.